Another session from All About ECE Python tutorials for beginners. In this session, we are going to discuss about math functions in the Python, like square root, power, floor, ceil, all these functions we have, right? So that and all we are going to see in this session. So let me go with a little bit beginning. So I want to find the square root as we are using the C is this function, right? Square root of 25. Oops, what I'm getting error, right? So you don't use square root function as directly in the Python command itself because it will not a valid command. We have so many libraries in the Python. So we need to have a library called import math. So we didn't get it because it is already installed in my software. So import math. So in this case, you need to use x equals to math. So you need to include the library along with the what you want to print, right? So square root of 25. So oops, there is no error. So I want error. I want the value of x, that is 5, right? So similar manner I want to know such that x equals to math dot square root of square root of mm, 29 because it is not a perfect square, right? So I want to know this one. So when I hit enter, I'm getting 5.38 is the square root of 29. Okay. Similarly, we have the function called power function. When you use the double star, you will get right 3 square 9. In similar case, you have in the Python library itself, we have function called math dot power. Power is a function which is used to power of the use the power of the function. So 9, same case, right? So instead of using 3 double star 2, you better to use the functions called functions. So when we are dealing with the bits, right? So to understand more clearly the libraries which are included in the system, the software is easy to understand when you are defining the function. You simply defining the variables, it doesn't mean it has so many number of variables, right? So to understand more clearly the inside the libraries, if you use the libraries, so it can be easily recognized by the command what you are entering. So it will give the directly the absolute answer what you are looking for. And we have another function called floor and ceil. Floor, if you use the floor, it will use the least element. It means if you use floor 2.9, suppose you have 2.5 in the mathematical well, in the childhood we have to write if you have the number greater than 2 5, it means 2.6, 2.7, 2.8, then it will be round off to 3. If it is has 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, then it is round off to 2, right? So in similar manner in Python also we have two functions called floor and ceil. So assume that floor of 2.9, I want to print the floor. So floor math dot floor, I want to know the what is the value of 2.9, correct, right? So so floor gives the least digit which is preceded. It means 2.9 means it is give the 2. So if you use the function called ceil, SEIL, if you use the function ceil, then you will get the highest digit. It means the digit which is upper side. So you will getting math C. That ceil, you will getting higher value. Math dot floor if you use, you will get the lowest digit which is below that one. So 2.9 floor value is 2, ceil 2.9 is 3. I hope it is very clear, right? So we have been used square root function, power function, floor function, ceil function. These are the functions which are already inbuilt in the math command. It means math library. So when you are using directly, it will give, it is directly printed, right? It will directly give the values. It is not giving any error. So if you use the simply as we are here discussed right square root, if it is not included in the library, so it is giving an trace back error. So whenever you are dealing with such type of things, you better to use functions instead of variables. So it is easily recognizable by the libraries which are already included. So it is easy to get the output very fastly and more accurately rather than the wasting of memory. You can use the power functions or square root function including with the library, then we'll get the absolute values. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any doubts, please mention in the comment box, and please subscribe to All About ECE if you are not subscribed till now our channel. Thank you for watching.